Belle's Creative Dance Tips. 3 instructional methods to teach creative dance.
Hello, my name is Serena Kindello, and I play Belle on MOSI MOO. I have taught creative dance to preschoolers for the last 4 decades. It is my hope that Belle's creative dance tips will give you the confidence and inspiration to integrate dance into the young child's world, whether you use it in an educational or recreational capacity. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 distinct ways to teach creative dance to the child. Each approach and methodology uses a different language and has different benefits. I love using all 3 techniques for every age group I teach. The first technique is called imitation. This approach is dance teacher centered. Sometimes dancers may also be the leaders. The movement is done by learning the dance, then copying it. At the beginning of each episode of MOSI MOO, Belle lays down a dance motif and MOSI follows. My Magic Wand and Castle and Dragon Dance Adventure is a good example of this. When using the imitation technique as a teacher, your wording is something like this: my turn, your turn, follow me, copy me. Dance activities that repeat or echo or copy are also part of the imitation. The benefits of this approach is that it truly generates a sense of unity. It also builds a dance vocabulary for the dancers. Second methodology, guided exploration. This is an approach where the young dancer is at the center of the creation. Dancers discover and explore a variety of their creative potential. When MOSI and MOO are swimming with the mermaids under the sea dance adventure, this would be considered a guided dance exploration. They are moving based on the imagery set by Belle and are dancing it out with their own dance vocabulary and ideas. In the guided exploration technique, your wording is like, see if you can, or let's try, make up your own way. This approach is great for problem solving, experimenting, and creating new dance moves. The benefit of this approach is that it builds creative skills and develops confidence. The last approach is improvisation. This method involves responding spontaneously to a situation, idea, or stimulus. I usually integrate this approach in a game-like fashion, like free dance or follow me and freeze. Our dance games and dance parties reflect this freedom of movement. Your wording would use language like pretend, dance like, imagine you to be, make up your own dance. The benefit of this approach is that it allows for spontaneous related movements and freedom of expression. And when we express ourselves, we feel elated, joyful, and empowered. I really hope that these dance tips and ideas ignite your imagination and inspire you to integrate dance into the lives of the children you care for, whether it be in the classroom, dance studio, or at home. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep on dancing.
Hey, want to dance more with Moo and me and find out about our upcoming shows?
Well, just hit the subscribe button and you're in the club.